Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages, and this is video number 5 of 8 in the series over 8 days of scrapbook workshop kits that are currently in the last chance product list. I'm filming on August the 6th, so if you're watching this after that date, this one may have sold out. It truly is last chance. Most kits, all of the kits come with instructions for 3 layouts, and I will often modify them. This is an example of that. I haven't done a huge modification, but some little ones. We don't do Valentines a lot here in our house, but when I looked at these photos, I thought, oh, these aren't like Valentines. These are just things that you love. And so I ran with that one. Okay, so as I look, tell me which layouts are your favorites. Sorry, I just need to come out a little bit so you can see the whole layout. So this one here, in this original layout with the smaller photos, you saw a lot of the red, and I wanted to have less of that. So I substituted crumb cake for these ones, and I used those crumb cake for the background to my photos. This is one of the things I love most about my life is my friends. So this is Bake Day. We do it every year. We have been doing it for probably, I don't know, 20 years maybe. Yes, our children were just primary school when we started, and now some of our children come and join Bake Day with us. So that one worked really well, using some of the title and changing up a little bit along the way. So that's layout number 1. Layout number 2, here is one of those friends, and we travelled to Las Vegas for a Stampin' Up conference, and we found this amazing little cafe that was all pink, and I knew I had this kit at home waiting to be made up. So we went in, we had pink hot chocolate, and took lots of photos so that I could use it on this page. But it worked beautiful. I just took little one out and put in treats, and added in more photos onto this page, and actually rearranged the photo placement here. So that's layout number 2. And then layout number 3, I didn't like that great big love you taking all that real estate where photos could be. And so this was ballet class for my granddaughter, and her little brother always came and wanted to join in at some point in the proceedings. So by filling the love heart just with lots of little photos, you get more of a sense of a 3-year-old or a 4-year-old dancing. And then rather than those photos there, I put the 3 of him along there. So that's layout 3, layout 2, and layout 1. Which one do you like the best? Tell me in the comments. And then while you're there, tell me, do you prefer doing workshops online or in person?